Restock limits on Amazon have just changed. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to increase your restock limits to send in more inventory to Amazon FBA and ultimately be able to make more money for the rest of this year. What's up guys, my name is Mike Sieben. I am a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller. In this video, I'm gonna break down what Amazon restock limits are, why they're important, why you should care, and ultimately how to raise those restock limits so that you can continue to be sending inventory in and making even more sales. So about once per quarter, Amazon will actually go in and make significant changes to the way that restock limits work for Amazon sellers. Essentially what a restock limit is an overall limit on your Amazon FBA account that tells you the number of units that you are allowed to send into Amazon's warehouses. They create these limits to help incentivize sellers to sell through their inventory, to turn inventory over quicker, thus making them and you more money. But very recently, they made a massive change to the restock limits in preparation for Q4 of this year. This means that everybody's restock limits have been brought down. And from what we're seeing in our account and other people's accounts, they're allowing about 2 to 4 times whatever inventory you sell in a month to actually be your total restock limit. So this means if you're planning on sending a ton of new inventory in to get ready for the holiday season, you might just be out of luck. Don't worry though, in this video, I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth and show you exactly how you can increase that restock limit, how you can determine if you're doing a good job and working towards increasing that restock limit, and some other factors that actually go into it. So although Amazon's algorithms are very highly protected, it is a great indication to know what your IPI score, inventory performance index score is, what it actually means, and what you need to do to increase that. By all counts, from my experience as well as along with other sellers, the higher your IPI score, the greater the chance that Amazon will actually up your restock limits. Higher restock limits means more products means more sales, more money in your business and in your pocket. So if we have a peek here at this screen, we can see our Seller Essential account. We can see our very own inventory performance index score, and we can see the different factors that actually go into this. So as you can see, we currently have a score of a 583 out of 1,000. So we're in the green range, but on the lower end of that. Right now, we have a really good excess inventory score. Our sell-through rate is in the yellow. Our stranded inventory, meaning we need to clean up some inventory, is a little bit lower. And our in-stock inventory is something that we could probably address as well. So biggest thing to pay attention to, Amazon will actually give you different information and actually tell you exactly how to up these factors, which in turn will actually up the score. Now, the one we want to pay the most attention to, the one that Amazon cares about the most, is going to be the sell-through rate, right? Your sell-through rate is the biggest factor to Amazon. The more that you sell through, the quicker you turn your inventory over, the more that you are going to be rewarded. The higher your IPI score, the higher your sell-through, the higher your overall restock limits will be at the end of the day. So the biggest thing that you want to pay attention to every single Monday, Amazon will actually recalculate your IPI score and they will actually make adjustments to your restock limits. So if you just go to your Seller Central account, you click under inventory, you click shipments, and under shipments, you will see restock limits at the bottom of your screen. In that area, it'll tell you how many units you have utilized, how many total units that you are allowed, and ultimately how many units you can still send in before you hit your limit. Now, the biggest thing that you need to do is keep up your sell-through rate, meaning sell more items, even if it means taking a little bit lower of a margin in your Amazon business. And this will ultimately allow the algorithm to give you more restock limit to push those limits. So if you're in a position, and I highly recommend that you go and check your current restock limit. And if you're in a position where you're getting very close to your restock limits, it's time to go and assess how you can sell more units. If you need to pull inventory out of Amazon, you need to drop some prices to sell units quicker. It is highly recommended so that you can get your restock limit up, you can send more items into Amazon, and you can ultimately make more sales for your business. If you guys are liking this video, please make sure to go smash that like button. Helps out the channel more than you could imagine as well. If you're enjoying this, make sure that you're subscribed and hitting that notification bell. Gets you notified every single time that I post a new video. Other than that though, that's all I wanted to run through with you guys. A nice, short and sweet one just to go over restock limits, what you can do today to make an impact on your restock limits, and how to identify if you're getting close to pushing those capacities. Thanks guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Hope to see you down in the comment section, and take care for now.